Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Poopcaan's Unruly Fest lived up to its billing over the weekend. The event, held at the Goodyear factory in St. Thomas, saw thousands of patrons out in their numbers at the second staging of the festival. Unruly Fest featured an impressive lineup of dancehall and reggae acts, including Agent Sasco, Sanchez, Capleton, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Chronic Law, Styler G, Quadadon, and Skilly Bang. The event was not short of excitement, as the headliner and show conceptualizer Poopcaan himself, he wowed fans with this grand entrance. The St. Thomas native performed hits from his catalogue, including But in a Real Life, Inviolable, Raven, Never Fear Them, and Addicted. The rain did not dampen the show as Poopcaan brought on-stage dancehall act Massacre and guest acts rapper Casanova and Styler G touched down. Emerging dancehall artist Jeff Rass was honored to be part of the show's lineup.
We just step out and do our best. People take it, them love it. So I have to give thanks, you know, that's greatness right now, you see me?
Patrons were left pleased with the performances, but they felt they were tricked as they did not see any surprise international acts.
I don't know, I like the thing, you see me?
It wasn't a bad show, but I think I've been bamboozled somewhat. You know, I was expecting to see like Drake or Davido or somebody.
Meanwhile, Poopcaan also gave fans an early Christmas gift with the release of his new EP dubbed Vanquish. The EP consists of 10 tracks and marks the artist's first full-length compilation since being signed to Drake's OVO Sound. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.